Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. What are we? Wednesday the 24th of January, and we were at Yate today. Very slim pickings. That's the only thing I bought in a charity shop. I will talk about these pots of glue along the top here in a minute. But yeah, we'll have a look inside here. I'm pretty sure I've done one of these before. The actual wooden fish, I don't think I've seen it in this particular kit before. BC Bones Junior Collection, 7 Cs, 3 something or other. Let's see if we can get the label off. Oh, yeah, 99 pence in St. Peter's Hospice, that would have been. 7 Cs, 3D wooden puzzle. Okay, I'll stick that back on again just so we got it. Free paint set inside. www.bcbones.com. Okay, let's have a look, see if we can open it. God, there's a lot of packaging in here. There's our free paint set. A lot of these used to come with the paint sets with them. Oh, is there a date on it at all? BC Bones 2003. Designed in the USA. Made exclusively for BC Bones in China. Yeah, okay. Tow Bar. That's the company I recognise. It's a toy manufacturer or retailer, I suppose. I don't think any of them manufacture anything because they're all made in China. Item 08473, Junior Angelfish. You've got a few others you can make. Okay, so we've got a paint set. I wonder if any of them look any good. If you hold them up, if they don't sort of slop from one side to another, there's a fair chance they've dried out, or they are at the very least pretty solid. Yeah, I doubt whether... Oh, I don't know, I suppose you could always add water. Possibly, maybe. If they're acrylic. Quite selection. The usual thing. Assemble them and follow the numbers. 1 to 1, 2 to 2, and so on. I usually stick these in the car. Something to do when I'm sitting there waiting for Nanny when she's gone shopping or visiting her friend. That bit of foam is just packaging to fill out the box. I'm very tempted to do that now rather than putting it in the car. Just something to do this afternoon, or this evening as it is now. Might do that. So I'll do that in a separate video. I'll just briefly talk about these. Nothing to do with charity shops. Poundland used to sell them, but I buy them in a craft shop. Still the same price, interestingly enough, £1. There's 2 types. There's this one that dries white acrylic glue, and this one that dries clear. I use them on foam. And I'll give you an example. This is the sort of thing I would use them on. In fact, this particular one I originally glued together using little dots of super glue, which actually eats into the foam. But just there you can see I've repaired this one with the dry white. which doesn't really go very nicely on the black foam. Pizza trays these used to come with when you used to buy a pizza, a home-cooked pizza. Then they were on this type of foam. Anyway, this one's got a crack in it from the last time I flew it, so I will be using some clear this time to fix it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.